Hey guys, it's your girl Gelila. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. So today we are not going to be talking about hair care. This is my freshly washed hair. It's still in the process of drying, hence why it's longer than usual, but we are going to be talking about skincare. So this topic for today is something that most people use, well, maybe most people use, but definitely most people know about, and they put it in their hair, but it's also amazing for your face. And that thing is Flaxseed Gel. So that's what we're gonna be discussing today. And if you're interested in learning more, keep watching. So, like I said, we're gonna be talking about flax seeds. And mine are from Trader Joe's, aka my favorite grocery place. But I use flax seeds all the time. I haven't really used it in my hair yet as a gel. I did put some in today though from the batch that I made. So I'm gonna see how it works with my hair, and maybe I'll give you guys an update on that. But yeah, so I put it in my smoothies, in my overnight oats, because they're such a great source of fiber. They have lignans in them, which helps like reduce your chance of getting cancer. It also has the omega-3 fats in them, which is great, especially for like vegetarians and people who don't really eat fish that much. And I myself, like, I don't eat red meat, and I don't really eat other meats often, like it's very occasional, and I love sushi, but like I don't eat that every day, so this is a great source of that for me too. So when I came across my, I guess, internet wave that people use this for their face, I was like, what? Like, that's crazy. Like, I've literally only heard of people using flaxseed gel on their hair. And I myself am one of those people who uses aloe vera, and I do like the aloe vera masks overnight, and my face is like so smooth and like all of that jazz. And we all know about that already. So when I came across this and I tried it out, I was like, I have to share this because it's literally like amazing, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the process of showing y'all how I made it, and then giving you guys all the good facts about using flaxseed gel as a face mask. So actually, before we get into that, I just wanted to mention that my face has been fully washed and cleansed, and there's no makeup or anything on my face right now, so just so that you guys are aware of what we're getting ourselves into. So I'm gonna start off by putting about 2 cups of water into the pot. Then I'm gonna add in my flaxseed. I'm gonna use 1/4 of a cup for the flaxseed. After the flaxseed is added, we'll bring the water to boil. And as the water boils, make sure to continue to stir the flaxseed so that they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Well, looks like it's really boiling now, but it still doesn't have that gooey texture that we need to turn off the stove. All right, now we got it. Now that the gel texture is coming through, we can turn off the stove and let it cool. I've heard to let it cool for 30 minutes to an hour, so I usually try to keep it in between that time frame. Okay, I'm back, and our flaxseed mixture looks cooled. Now we need 2 more things: a container and some pantyhose to use to strain the flax seeds. I picked up this pantyhose from CVS. It was like $1, I think, and it comes with 2, so you can have one for next time. I'm just gonna place the pantyhose on top of the container and struggle. So I think I left the flax seeds to cool a little bit too long. I was washing my hair during that process, and y'all know how that goes. Sometimes we think it's gonna be fast, but really it takes longer. So the gel kind of thickened, and I'm obviously struggling during this part. It's not too big of an issue since I'm just using this batch for my face, but we can just fast forward through this. And this is about how much gel I got out of that, and it's just the right amount since we're only using it for a face mask. All right, so now it's time to put this baby on. I'm just gonna put my hair back because I don't really want it to, you know, get messy. All right. Okay. So I'm just gonna dip my brush into my little measuring cup. Get a good amount of gel on it. Look at that. Ooh. Put it on my face. And it literally like feels like, if you guys have done the aloe vera mask before and you know how like it gets like sticky on you, like the gel and stuff, it's like this one, it is sticky, but it's not as sticky as the aloe. And I just feel like it's just way more moisture. Like you literally feel it as you're putting it on. Like the amount of moisture that there is like in this gel is absolutely crazy, honestly. Like I really hope that it works on my hair too, because I just feel like if this gel works on my hair and I like how my curls look with it, it would be adding so much moisture to my hair too. Alrighty, so now all the mask is on my face. You guys can see how gooey it is. So I'm going to literally show you guys how I look in the morning, like my face, because I really want you guys to understand. I feel like you get so much of the moisture when you sleep with your mask, and I feel the same way about the aloe. So I am going to go to bed and wake up, and my face is going to just be brand spanking new and smooth. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. I literally cannot like open my mouth too much still. So this is the morning after. You guys can see it's like really cracked, but the mask did stay on all night. And this is like way tighter than the aloe mask, but it wasn't like too tight to be uncomfortable on my face. And the tightness, what I love about that is that it's gonna keep your skin firm, and which helps like take away from like wrinkles and like aging, premature aging. So that is something that I'm like really happy about from this mask. So as you can see, I can barely like move my mouth. So I'm gonna wash this off real quick, and then we'll talk about all the benefits that this mask will give you. All right guys, I'm back, and literally all I did was just wash that gel off of my face, and it is so smooth and moisturized. Like, you know when you're wearing a really good moisturizer and you don't even have to feel your face to know like how moisturized and smooth it is? That is literally how this feels. Like, it's so moisturized, guys. And the moisture that comes from these flax seeds also helps you keep a healthier skin tone, so that's definitely a plus. And those omega-3s and the fiber and the lignans combined together, they help with acne prone skin. So I would definitely suggest this if you have acne prone skin. And those lignans that we talked about, and how they help prevent skin cancer is definitely a plus. Like, why wouldn't we want that? We're out in the sun all the time, so this is definitely helpful for that. And that tightness that I was talking about earlier when I woke up, so that is created from the mix of protein and the omega-3 fatty acids that the flax seeds contain, and that tightness helps your skin stay firm. And your skin staying firm means no wrinkles, it means no signs of aging, and it means that you get to keep that baby face all through your days. So I would definitely 100% recommend this face mask. Like honestly, it's probably gonna replace my aloe because I just feel like it works like 10 times more than the aloe does. So yeah, I hope that you guys try this, and please let me know how it works for your face. It is a natural product, so like it should work across the board for everybody, but let me know how it works in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and come join this family. And thank you guys for watching this video. You have reached the end. I decided to make a skincare video today because I took a poll on my Instagram and a lot of people asked to have more skincare topics. So that's why I've decided to do this one. And if you haven't followed our Instagrams yet, they are below. So definitely go check those out. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Peace out.